Princess is ready. All right, hands are in laps. Ethan. All right, so before Thanksgiving, we learned how to add. How do you add?
Put it together.
Very good. So this week, we're going to learn how to subtract. Everybody say that with me. Subtract. So we're going to learn how to
Subtract.
We're going to learn how to
Subtract.
So subtract means take away. So how do you subtract?
Take away.
So Princess, how do we subtract?
Take away.
So when we subtract, we
Take away.
Very good. So we're going to subtract. All right? And when you how do you subtract?
Take away.
And then how do you find the answer? Count. You count. Very good.
Like adding.
Right. It's the opposite of adding. So instead of putting it together, we're going to
Take away.
take away. So how do you subtract?
Take away. It's backwards.
All right. So today, to practice how to subtract,
It's a parachute. It's a parachute.
I'm going to make you get off my boat.
That's a pirate.
So here's my boat. So you're going to get off my boat. Okay? So Dylan, come get on my boat. Mary, come get on my boat. Stand up, Dylan. Samaj, get on my boat. Right? How many people are on my boat? 3. Right? But that's too many people on my boat. Right? So how many are on my boat?
3.
Minus 1. Get off my boat. Now how many people are left?
2.
So 3 minus 1 equals,
2.
because how many people are left?
2.
And how did we subtract?
Take away. Take
How
away.
did we subtract?
Take away.
Very good. That was pretty easy. So 3 minus 1 equals,
2.
get off my boat. Get off my boat. All right. Arlen, Michael, Z, Ethan.
4.
Get on my boat, girl. How many people are on my boat?
4.
4. And how do we subtract?
Take it away.
1, 2. Get off my boat.
And 3.
So 4 minus 2 equals,
2.
because how many people are on my boat?
2.
So 4 minus 2 equals,
2.
very good. And how did you subtract?
Take it away.
Get off my boat. All right, Charles, Princess, Izzy, Luis, Kamaya.
Out.
That's where your hands should be in your lap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come back here. There's lots of room on my boat. All right, how many people are on my boat?
5.
Minus 1, 2, 3. Get off my boat. Princess,
1.
I didn't tell you to get off my boat. So 5 minus 3 equals,
2.
very good. So Arlen, 5 minus 3 equals,
2.
good. And how do we subtract?
Take it away.
All right, get off my boat. Let's see who has their hands in their lap. We'll do it that way. Darrell, Asani, Luis, Samaje, Mary, Z. So how many people are on my boat? 6 minus 1. Get off my boat. Now, how can we find the answer? Let's count how many people are on my boat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 6 minus 1 equals, Dylan, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 6 minus 1 equals,
5.
how many, Dylan?
5.
Because how many are left?
5.
And how do we subtract? How do we subtract?
Take it away.
Thank you, Charles. How do we subtract?
Take it away.
All right, get off my boat. Izzy, how do we subtract?
Take it away.
Take away. Very good. Let's see. Michael, Charles, Mary? Kamaya? Emmanuel? Okay, how many people are on my boat?
1, 2, 4, 5.
Very good. How many?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get off my boat.
1. Just 1.
So, Mary, I didn't take you off my boat. So 5 minus 4 equals
1.
Very good. Izzy, how do we subtract?
Take it away.
Get on my boat. Luis, you're ready? Darrell? Charles? Izzy? Samaje? Asani? Z? Princess? Alright, how many people are on my boat? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 10, 8. There's 9. It's 8.
How can we find out?
10.
Alright, everybody should be on your butt. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
8.
8 minus 1, 2. Get off my boat. Get off my boat. All right. 8 minus 2 equals
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ethan. 6. How did you find out, Dylan? Very good. So 8 minus 2 equals
6.
Very good. And how do we subtract?
Take it away. Get off my boat. Okay.
Get off my boat. Somebody remind Mr. Greg, where should you be sitting right now?
Bye.
Where should your hands be?
In your lap.
And where should you be looking?
At the boat.
Arleth, Ethan, Kamaya, how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Get off my boat.
0.
So 3 minus 3 equals?
0.
Very good. And how do we subtract?
Take it away. Take it away.
Taking away. Very good. How do we subtract?
Take it away.
Very good. We take away. Excellent job. Mary, Princess, Z, Samaje, Darrell, Charles, Dylan, Michael.
That's a lot of people.
All right. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
8.
8 minus 1. Get off my boat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
So 8 minus 1 equals?
7.
Very good. How do we subtract?
Take it away.
Charles gets 1,000,000,000 points. How do we subtract?
Take it away.